Well, it's nice to meet other people, Jews or not Jews, who share a similar musical interest. There's something about the community internationally which is really special. And I think having found it hard as a young person to relate to the Jewish world that I grew up in, because I found it too formal or too stagnant or just full of stuff that seemed like it's not consciously engaged with the present. It's just kind of following the traditions that we've always done, or like here's a modernized, simplified version of this tradition. This didn't interest me, and to meet people who want to transcribe a cantorial improvisation that makes me feel really excited to be Jewish, because I feel like I can say to someone who doesn't know about Jews, oh, there's this complexity in the spiritual music which is so otherworldly, and I feel proud of that. I feel like that's something I'm really proud to have maybe had that in my past, and because generally the klezmer scene is on the more radical side, I can relate to it on that level. So they seem to go hand in hand somehow. I don't really talk about my Jewish identity with my family or with my extended family. It's quite a personal thing. Yeah.